So hi everyone, welcome to yet another live from THiNC in-store design. So before we start, host, am I clearly audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Okay, thank you. So hi everyone, good evening. So you all must be preparing for the upcoming NATA examination. The examination is so near, only 4 days left. So in this particular last days, THiNC in-store design has come up with its question discussion session. So today we will be mainly discussing the first session of NATA 2022, which has been already over in June 12th. So there was morning session, there was evening session. So some of you have attended that particular examination, some of you might not. So for those who haven't yet attended the NATA examination, the first session, so this particular session will be an additional benefit for you because we will be discussing the morning and evening session paper today. And basically this session is all about the arithmetic aptitude. So arithmetic aptitude, this particular subject is one of the important section in NATA examination. You can expect around 10 to 15 questions from exclusively from the arithmetic aptitude section. There will be combination of quantitative aptitude. You can expect questions from geometry. So altogether, definitely you can expect around 10 to 15 questions from the arithmetic aptitude section. So it is really an important section for the NATA examination, as well as you can expect question like MCQ as well as the NAQ, the numerical answer type question, and the multiple choice question from the arithmetic aptitude session. So today we will be discussing the arithmetic aptitude questions of the first NATA session. And this particular session will be handled by our faculty, Venkateshwaran sir. So sir, am I audible, sir? Can we start?
Yes, very good afternoon. Yes, sir, we can have the session. Yes.
So we will start the session. So yes.
Yes. Yes. Good afternoon, students. Very good afternoon to all of you. And thank you, Sachin sir. So we had a good introduction about this past NATA's exam that was conducted last month. And I welcome all students. And also, yes, students, you must have got this objective of what we are going to have for today's session. We are, of course, going to have a kind of revision or a kind of visit back the question paper that we had for the previous NATA exam. Okay, and that too we are going to have the quantitative aptitude part. Okay, the arithmetic aptitude part we are going to have a kind of discussion for today's session. Okay, all right, that is going to be the objective of this session. And okay. And yes, students, I kindly request all of you to please check whether you can hear my voice, and also at the same time whether you can see the screen also clearly. So it is live streamed, so please make sure whether you can see and then hear my voice also, right? Yes. Yeah, around some 20 people are there who are watching the session on live. Yes, I believe the things are clear, and if there are any interruptions, please let know. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you can give the responses to the chat box, the live chat box. Okay. Yes, students. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Like the previous NATA questions, here also, this year also, you come to get the same kind of questions, not very harder, but at the same time, bit tricky questions. Okay. They are actually easy, a kind of bit tricky questions we had for this year's NATA exam. That is what we're going to have a visit back. And before that, let us see usually what topics under which you will be getting questions under this arithmetic area for your NATA exam. Okay. So when it comes to arithmetic area, you will be getting questions from areas like percentage. You come to get questions from percentage, profit loss. You get questions from profit and loss. And then you come to get questions based on, sometimes you will get questions based on interest calculation. I mean, simple interest and compound interest, with which many of you are aware of. So simple interest, compound interest based question also you can expect here. And next set of topics are going to be like average. You will get questions based on average. And then ratio proportion, based on ratios you will have questions. This is another set. Okay, fine. And very importantly, the major parts of your arithmetic are going to be time, speed, distance. You will get a more of questions from time, speed, distance. Time, speed, distance is going to be a kind of vast area under which you can expect questions, and also time and work. Okay, time, work based questions also you will have. Under these arithmetic area, you will be having questions. Okay, fine. Yes. So these are the main blocks under which you will get your arithmetic questions. And the other side, you can even expect questions based on geometry and mensuration. So questions based on geometrical shapes you will be having. Okay, all right. So when it comes to geometry and mensuration, you should be ready to understand, or you should be ready to be learning the properties of all the basic shapes of geometry. Okay, fine. Yes. So when it comes to geometry mensuration, you will find questions based on different 2D shapes. Okay, let's quickly have a revision what shapes you have, under which questions. You will frequently get questions based on triangles, circles. Okay, and then you will get questions based on quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. What do you call quadrilaterals? So you must be aware of triangles and circles. What about quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals are those where you have four sides. Okay, four-sided shape. All the four-sided shapes, geometrical shape, you call it to be quadrilaterals. This will include square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium. Everything will be included inside this quadrilaterals itself. Okay, yeah, okay, all right. And next is like you will come to get questions based on polygons. Polygons are what are polygons? Polygons are the objects or the shapes where you have more than four sides. Okay, more than four sides. This based questions also we can expect more than four sides. Of course, this year's NATA, there was one question based on polygons also you come to have from polygons. And what other areas are like here these are all 2D shapes. Okay, you will get 2D shapes question. And next, importantly, 3D shapes also. You will get questions based on cubes, cuboid, and then cylinder based questions you will have, cone, and then sphere. Okay, so these are some main areas under which you will get your 3D shapes. Okay, geometry. Okay, so these are the wide area under which you will get your mensuration geometry questions. Of course, the weightage of mensuration geometry questions will be a bit more than compared to the other areas. Okay, fine. Yes. So you can expect a good number of questions appearing from this geometry mensuration itself. So once of all, if you are having a good plan to prepare for your NATA aptitude thing, then you will have to, without any compromise, you will have to be ready to prepare for geometry mensuration. Okay, fine. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, these are the main areas under which you will get your questions. Maybe students, if you want, you can quickly take a note of it, or most of you are listening in your mobile only, right? So you can take a quick screenshot also. Maybe if you want, you can take a quick screenshot. So you can take a quick screenshot of all these topics. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I think shall we begin the session? So we can start working out the questions, okay? Yeah, okay. Ready? Because we have a very short time, so we'll see to work out as many questions as possible. Let's begin to work out the questions. Yeah, I'll start posting the questions on the screen. And students, yeah, you can also give a try. You can also give a try with the questions, okay? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll pull down the screen now. Yeah, okay, students. So here is your first question. Here's your first question from average. So maybe, can you just try to give a try? This first question is from average. Let me give you a few seconds time. Can you give a try, please? Let me check this chat box. So how many can you respond? Just few seconds I will try to give you. Yeah, okay. So here, this question you have, I hope all of you can see the screen clearly, right? Please make sure whether the screen is better for your views. Please check, okay? Yeah. Yeah, here you have the question. The question is asking for, if the average of 20 numbers is 0, then how many numbers could be greater than 0? So that's your question. Yeah, I can see your answers. Good. Yeah. Shailesh, Karakutil, Lakshman. Yeah, okay. Adil, Anjali. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, okay. Now let's do it together, okay? It's a very easy question, very basic question from the concept of average, okay? So I hope all of you know what is average. So if a set of numbers are given to you, then how do you find the average, students? So average, you have to do total. First, you will add all the numbers. You will find the total divided by number. So this will give you the average. Now coming to our question, in our question it's given the average of 20 numbers is 0. So that means there are some 20 numbers. We don't know what numbers they are, but the average of the 20 numbers is 0. So that means what we can understand here is the total of 20 numbers, all those 20 numbers divided by how many numbers are there? 20 numbers. So total of those 20 numbers by 20 should be equal to 0, correct? So from this itself, what we can tell, you can bring this 20 to the other side. That means this clearly implies the total of 20 numbers itself is 0. So that means there are some 20 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, 19th number, 20th number. The addition of all these 20 numbers is equal to 0. That's what they say. Okay. Then my question is, how many of these numbers could be greater than 0? So can you carefully analyze and tell? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yes, students, can you kindly answer my question, my first question? So given there are 20 numbers, the addition of all these 20 numbers is 0. Can you have all the 20 numbers greater than 0? Is it possible? Can you have all the 20 numbers greater than 0? Is that even possible? If you make all 20 numbers greater than 0, then some will also be greater than 0. Is it or not? So just with an example, 1, 1, 1, 1. If I add 20 ones, what happens? My sum will never be equal to 0, right? It will be 20. But I can do one thing. Now, except the last number, I can make all the other 19 numbers as 1, and I can make the last number as minus 19. Now I can make the sum as 0. It's possible, right? So that means at a maximum, how many numbers could be greater than 0? Of course, you are right. We can make the first 19 numbers greater than 0, and we can compensate with the negative number. The last 20th number, we can compensate and make the sum 0. So option A, 19 is the answer. So is this making sense? Is this clear? Able to understand the first question? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, please, any doubts or anything, you can share it there. Okay. Yeah, let's move on to the second question for you on the screen. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm coming down, students. Okay, I'm coming down. I'm posting you the next question. Okay, yeah, sure. I'll make it one more time. Okay. Yeah, I think few of you. Yeah, okay, yes, I'll do it one more time. See here, the question says the average of 20 numbers is 0. There are some 20 numbers. The average of the 20 numbers is 0. This is what it is given. And the question is asking how many of these 20 numbers could be greater than 0. That is what this question is asking. Is it or not? So we should basically know the meaning of what is average. Average is what? Average is total by number. That's the meaning of average, right? See, suppose if you have 5 numbers, how will you find the average of those 5 numbers? You add all the 5 numbers and divide by 5. If there are 10 numbers, you will add the 10 numbers and divide it by 10. This is how we find average, correct? Here, there are 20 numbers in the question. So for this 20 numbers, the average is 0 in the sense, you add all the 20 numbers divided by 20, that value gives you 0. Clear? Is this step clear? So total of the 20 numbers by 20 is 0. That means total of the 20 numbers is also 0. Correct? Okay. So that means I add 20 numbers and the sum should be equal to 0. This is what the question implies. Now, what's the question? If I add 20 numbers and if the sum is equal to 0, then how many of them could be greater than 0? This is what they're asking. So only what I asked is, can you take all the 20 numbers as greater than 0? Is it possible for you to take all the 20 numbers greater than 0? Is it possible? Is it possible? If you take 20 numbers, each of those 20 numbers should be greater than 0. If you take it like that, and can you make the sum as 0? Is it possible? No, it's not possible, correct? It's not possible, right? Basically, it is not at all possible. Because you add 20 numbers greater than 0, and the sum will also be greater than 0. For that reason only, what I tried to do here is, I made the first 19 numbers greater than 0. First 19 numbers, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. From first number till the 19th number, I made as 1. And the last 20th number, I made as minus 19. Now try to add all the 20 numbers, what you will get? Now you will get the answer as 0. You're able to accept with this? Able to agree with this? Can you accept this? First 19 numbers are greater than 0. Last number, 20th number it's a negative number. It is a number less than 0. You can make the sum as 0. Now it is possible, correct? So this is what I come to tell. This is what I come to tell what? So you can take the first 19 numbers as 0. I mean greater than 0. So that's my question. How many numbers could be greater than 0? They asked. So 19 numbers can be greater than 0. That's it. Yeah, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Now settled. Okay. Yeah, I think I can see it in the response. Okay, thank you. Okay, yes, students, I think let's move on to the second question now. Okay. So yes, students, now you can see the second question on the screen. Second question is based on mensuration. Can you give a try? The dimensions of a hall are 40 meter by 25 meter by 20 meter. If each person requires 200 cubic meters, find the number of persons who can be accommodated in the hall. Yeah, I started getting the answers. Anjali, Adarsh. Good, very good. Good, good, good. Very good. Yeah, I request all of them who are watching, I request all of you to try. Yes, because only if you give a try, you can get the better practice. That's what I used to tell in all the sessions. Okay. Only if you try to do by your own, you'll come to get the practice. You will feel the confidence. Good, good, good. Hats off, all of you. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now we'll do it together. Okay, fine. Yes. So here this question says the dimension of a hall is 40 meter, 25 meter, 20 meter. That means this is like a cuboid, right? So we need to find the volume of the cuboid. You remember what is the volume of a cuboid? Volume of a cuboid will be length into breadth into height. Here, this 40, 25, 20. These are the length, breadth, and height. So that means volume will be 40 into 25 into 20, the whole meter cube. This is the total volume of the room. Now, what is given next? If each person requires 200 cubic meters, that means one person will require how much volume? One person will require 200 cubic meters. That means 200 meter cube. Find the number of persons can be accommodated in the hall. Now we have to find the number of person. So what are we supposed to do now? So we have the total volume and we are also having the volume of one person. Then how many person? To find the answer, what we can do? Yeah, simple. We can divide the total volume by the volume of one person. Volume required for one person. That is this number divided by 200. I can divide this. I can do that, right? This is simply like there are totally some 50 chocolates. There are totally 50 chocolates. One person takes 5 chocolate. Then totally how many people are there? What I will do? I will divide 50 by 5. The same thing is what is happening here also. Okay. The same thing. That's it. So you divide this by this. And people, please don't multiply this. Students don't multiply 40 into 25 into 20. Don't multiply. You try to cancel, simplify here itself. We can get the answer. Okay. I think you can cancel 1 0 and 1 0. This 2 zeros with this 2 zeros. You can cancel. and 2 and 2 cancel. So 4 into 25, 100. Option D is the right answer. That's it. Finished. That's it. That's it. Very good. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. I can see the response box. Very good. Nice. Nice to see your participation. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Any doubts with this? Any doubts? Any doubts? I believe there are no doubts for this question. It's very simple, right? I think all of you can understand. So maybe shall we move on to the next question? Ready for the next question? Okay, I'm scrolling down. I'll give the next question for you. So this question is from time, speed, and distance. We have to try this question. Can you give a try? So students, I think all of you can see the question, right? It is a question something based on time, speed, and distance. So what's there in the question? A cyclist is moving at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour, crosses a bridge in 2 minutes. What is the length of the bridge? That's your question. So we have the question. It is given. Cyclist speed is given. So speed is 20 kilometers per hour. Okay, fine. And what about the time taken? Time taken is what? It's 2 minutes. Time is 2 minutes. And we need to find what is the length of the bridge. So we have to find the length of the bridge. Of course, the person is traveling in the bridge only. He's crossing the bridge only. So to find the length of the bridge means we have to technically find the distance what he traveled. That's all. So how to find the distance, students? You have the speed and time. So distance will be equal to what? So distance is equal to, when speed and time are given, what is distance? Distance is equal to, first of all, tell what is distance equal to. Can you please tell? Yeah, I can see your responses. Good, good, good. Many of you are giving the answers. So distance equals to what? Distance equal to what? Speed and time are given. What's the relation between speed, distance, and time? Yeah, distance is equal to speed into time. Very good. So distance equals to speed into time. So can we do this calculation? Can we do this? Distance equal to speed into time. I have speed is 20 multiplied by time is 2. So students, can we do the process like this? 20 into 2. Can we get the answer like this? Is this correct? No, we can't do that, right? We can't do that. No, we can't do that. Why students? Why we can't do that? Why that is wrong? Yeah, why is that wrong? Why is it wrong? Because yeah, the units are not same. Is it or not? The units are not same, right? Exactly, yes. So that means we should properly work the problem. So what we can do? Now, speed is in 20 kilometers per hour. We'll better turn this as meter per second. So what do we do here, students, to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second? What we do? We will do, yeah, we'll do 20 into 5 by 18. Correct? So 20 into 5 by 18 meter per second. This becomes meter per second. And come here, time taken will be 2 minutes. Can you kindly convert this minutes to seconds? So 2 minutes will be equal to how many seconds? We know 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 2 minutes will be 2 into 60, 120 seconds. So now our speed is in meter per second. Our time is in seconds. Now very well we can multiply these two values. So 20 into 5 by 18 into 120. Students, are you okay with this? Are you okay? Why we can't directly multiply and why we can do this and then multiply? Are you okay with the reason? Yes. Yeah. Most of you who are strong with the basics will be able to understand that. But those who are practicing recently, those who are new to this, may not be able to understand easily. Okay, fine. Yes. So we convert it to meter per second and we convert the time to seconds. So speed is in meter per second, time is in seconds. Now I can multiply. So now when you multiply, your answer will be in meters. Is it or not? It will be in meters. Yeah, okay. So now shall we try to simplify? So 20, 18, this will be 10 and 9. In two tables, I'm canceling. This is 10 times, 9 times. Again, I can cancel these two numbers. This is 40 times and 3 times. So now I will have 10 into 5 into 40. So 10 into 5 into 40 will be 2000, right? Yeah, it will be 2000. So this will be 400 into 5, 2000, 2000 by 3. So 2000 by 3, what's answer?
So hi everyone. Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Now it is back. Yes.
Okay, so you can continue.
Yeah. Sorry for the breaking. Yes. Yeah. Yes, students. Students, I'm really sorry. So I think now the connection got back, right? I'm sorry. Yes. Yeah. Yes, students. So I think now it is clear. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let's continue from there. We need not even do the complete calculation. Yes. So we happen to get it as 600 and something. So from that itself, we can confirm our answer, right? So 600 and something. There's only one answer. So option D, 666.6. That will be the answer. That's it. Okay, fine. Yes. Very good. Very good. So I can see many of you are giving the correct answer. Very good to see that. Yeah. Okay, students. So clear with this problem. Is that clear? Is it giving you idea now? Okay. Okay. So yeah, let's move on to the next question. I'll give the next question to you, students. Okay. So the next question is something based on numbers. So you're going to try this question. Yeah, students. So now you can see this question. You can see the question on the screen. The value of 0.333 and so on multiplied by the value multiplied by 0.444 is equal to what? That's a question. So such a very nice question for your understanding of numbers. This is a very nice question. So can you give a try of this question? How will you try this question? So I think also I can give you the options. I can give you the options. Yeah, maybe I can give you options that may be useful for you. Yeah, yes. Here are the options for this question. So can you give a try now? So how do you work this question, students? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, some of you may try like this. Okay. See, first of all, you should carefully understand the question. Okay. This is 0.333 and so on. It's going and going. It's not ending. Okay. Same way, this is also 0.444. This is also never ending. It is going and going. When you multiply these two decimal numbers, what will be the resultant? Some of us may work out like this. Okay. Here 333 going, here 444 going and going. So when you come to multiply, we'll have 3 4s are 12. So our answer will be 0.12, 12, 12. This also going and going. Okay. So, but is this a correct way to work the problem? No, it is not the correct way. Okay, fine. Yes. No, no, it's not the correct way. Of course, option A is a trap answer for us to fall in trap. They purposely created that option. Okay. Yeah. Some of you might be able to understand the proper logic behind this, but we have a bit conceptual thing to be seen here for this question. Okay. So I think it will be better if I give the explanation for this question. Maybe it may be useful for many of you. So I'll try to give the conceptual understanding for this kind of question. Okay. So see here, this is 0.333 into 0.444. First of all, we have to turn these decimals as fractions. You have to turn it as fractions. Okay. Now, can someone tell what is 0.333 as a fraction? What is the equivalent fraction for 0.333? And what is 0.444 fraction? Can someone tell, please? What will be the fraction values for these two numbers? What is the fraction? Yeah. 0.33333. It is going. See, it is not stopping. It is going and going. What is the decimal equivalent for these numbers? What is the decimal equivalent? Yeah, what is the decimal equivalent for this number? Decimal will be? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's see that. Okay. Yeah. I'll make you explain. Okay. Yeah. For most of us, this will be a doubt. So I'll make you explain it. Okay. Suppose if I give you 0.5, 0.5, if you try to write as a fraction, what is the equivalent fraction, students? Can you please tell? 0.5 equals to what? What fraction? 0.5 is what? First of all, can you tell that? 0.5 is equal to? Yeah, it will be equal to 0.5. I'm asking. 0.5. Yeah, it will be 1 by 2. Is it or not? 0.5 will be basically 1 by 2. Correct? Yeah. You can write this 0.5 as 5 by 10. This will simplify to 1 by 2. You can easily tell. But if I ask you for 0.333 and so on, you can't tell. Okay. Now let us try to understand and let us learn the method how to convert a non-terminating decimal. Okay. See, there's a difference. 0.5, you call it to be a terminating decimal. Terminating means it will stop. But 0.33333, it is going and going, right? This is a non-terminating decimal. Now, let us try to learn how to convert a non-terminating decimal as a fraction. Non-terminating decimal as a fraction. Okay. Maybe this method may be useful for few of you. Okay. It may help in the future also. So try to listen carefully here. Okay. So I'm going to find the fraction for 0.333. What fraction it is. Okay. Understand carefully what I'm going to do. I will take this number as x. X is equal to 0.333 and so on. It is going, students. Okay. It is not stopping anywhere. These threes are going and going. Okay. Fine. Now, what I will do is, let me multiply both sides by 10. What I'm going to do, I will multiply both sides by 10. 10. Can you tell me what happens if you multiply x by 10? You will get 10x. Because x into 10 will be 10x, right? Okay. Now, come to the right-hand side. Right-hand side, if you multiply by 10, what will come? What will come? Can you tell me? Right-hand side, if you multiply by 10, what will come? Yeah, what comes? What will come? 0.3333 and so on. If you multiply by 10, what will come? Yeah, I can see the response now. Yeah. Prajwal, Prankit. Good, very good. 3.333 and so on. Is it or not? Yes. Yeah, fine. So now let's do a simple thing. Let's do a very simple thing. Let's do the subtraction 10x minus x. If you do 10x minus x, what you will have in the left hand side? You will have 9x. And come to the right hand side. If you subtract 3.333 minus 0.333, what will come? Yeah, if you minus, what will come? Yeah, if you minus, these decimal numbers will go off, because after decimal points you have all 3 only, right? So both will go off. You will have only 3. So 9x equals to 3, which means x is equal to 3 by 9 or 1 by 3. That's all. Is that clear? Is that clear? Exactly. Is that clear? So this is how 0.333 is equal to 1 by 3. It's like a live proof for you. Do you understand? So this is how we convert a non-terminating decimal as a fraction. So if I simply ask, you can easily tell 0.333 equal to what? 1 by 3. You can easily tell because you're used to it. But how? What's the proof? This is the proof. This is how we prove it. Okay, fine. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now, can you the same way, can you tell what will be the equivalent decimal for 0.4444? Students, can you tell what will be 0.4444 equal to? Please. Yeah, it will be equal to 0.44444 will be equal to what? Okay, yeah. If you want, I will explain it once again. Okay, no problem. See, our objective is to find the fraction value for this decimal 0.33333 and so on. Okay, so I took x as 0.333 and so on, and I multiplied this by 10. If x is 0.333, then 10x will be 3.333. Can you accept it? See, if you multiply this decimal number by 10, what will come? What happens is your decimal point will exactly move one place to the right hand side. That is what is happening. So x is 0.33333. So 10x will be 3.333. We got these two values, right? Now what next I'm doing is I'm doing 10x minus x. From 10x, I'm subtracting x. If I do that, what will come? I will get 9x. Left hand side, I will get 9x. Right hand side, do you think what I will get? Right hand side, what I will get? 3.33333 minus 0.33333. This is what I will get. So when I try to minus, I will get my right hand side equal to exactly 3. Yeah, exactly 3. Right? Is it clear? So 9x equals to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 9 or 1 by 3. That's all. So the same way I asked you to find out what is 0.4444. You do the same thing. X is equal to 0.444. So 10x will become 4.44444 and so on. So you do the same kind of subtraction. You will get 9x equal to 4, which means x is equal to 4 by 9. So this will be 4 by 9. Is that clear? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Good. Very good. Yeah, most of you gave it. 4 by 9. Is it or not? Yeah, okay. Now what you do? Now we have to simply do this fraction. So this will be 4 by 27, right? Now 4 by 27, we have to actually do the normal division method only. To write this fraction as a decimal, we have to do normal division only. Okay, fine. Yes. Normal division we can do, right? Normal division 4 by 27. We can do it, right? So 4 by 27 means 0. Add a 0 here. Now we will divide. 27 ones are 27. How much will be the balance? Balance will be 13. Again, add a 0 because 13 is not divisible by 27. Add a 0. Now again, how many times I can go? 27 and 130. How many times I can go? Can you please tell me how many times we can go? 27 and 130. We can go up to 5 times, right? 5 times, sorry, not 5 times, 4 times we can go. Yeah, up to 4 times we can go. 27 4s are how much? 108. 108 will be balanced 22. So it will go like this, right? So far we got 0.14. So 0.14 is matching to which option? Option D is right answer. That's all. Students able to understand this? Able to understand? So yeah, just purposely for you to understand this division concept, okay? How to convert this decimal to a fraction is what I gave you this explanation. Okay, fine. Yes. So this way also they will play with questions. That's why. Any more doubts in this question, please? Any more doubts means you can please let me know. Got it? Understand? Okay. Next question, I will give you the next question. Okay. Let me give you the next question. Here is another question. Yeah, here's an interesting question from percentages. I hope all of you can work this question. So yeah, let's work this question. Meanwhile, okay. I'll come down. I'll scroll down the screen. Yeah, okay. Yeah, here's the next question for you students. So I think you can give a try. Shatabdi Express has a capacity of 600 seats. So this question is something based on percentage. Such an interesting question. So maybe you can work it out. Let me give you a few seconds time. Can you try to work this question, please? Able to understand the question first of all? Able to understand the question? Okay, I'll give you the idea. Okay. Shatabdi Express has a total of how many seats? Total 600 seats. Out of which 15% is in special VIP class and the rest is in VIP class seats. So there are two categories of seats. Understand? There are two categories in which they are dividing the seats. One is special VIP seats, special VIP. The other one is VIP. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, okay. Okay, what next is given there? What next is given? 15% of the seats are special VIP class. Okay, then let's continue the question. We have got some other information also to refer. During its journey, the train was booked to 80% of its full capacity. Now, what do you mean by that? That means again they are categorizing the seats. There are some seats booked and there are some seats empty. Is that okay? Okay. So that means there's a two-way categorization. That is, they are seats which are special VIP and normal VIP. And there are some seats booked and there are some seats empty. Look at the way how they are categorized the question. And based on that, I also made a kind of table here. See, we have made a grid like this, a table like this. If you make a kind of table, it will be very easy for us to take or find the information. Students, is that clear? Is it clear? Can you understand? Okay, now let's try to work the question from the beginning. It has totally, Shatabdi Express has total 600 seats, out of which 15% of them are special VIP class. Okay, that means 15% of the total 600. Can you calculate what is 15% of 600? What is 15% of 600? How much it is? Yeah, it's equal to 90, right? Yeah. I can see the responses. Yeah, people, you can respond, right? 15% of 600. 600. Can you carefully work? Okay, I will teach you students. Okay, how I will work this problem. Let me teach you. Okay, 15% of 600. How you can calculate? Okay, I'll give a sample. Okay, for example, if you want to find 15% of 600, first you start from 10%. 10% of 600 will be 60. You can easily do. Just cut 1 0. 10% is 60. 5% will be half of 10. Correct? So 10% is 60. So 5% will be half of that. That is 30. Now can you add them together? Because 15% means 10 plus 5, right? That's what is 15%. So you add it. 60 plus 30, 90. You can do it in your mind itself. You can easily do it. So 90, very good. That means 15% are in the special VIP class, means there are 90 special VIP seats. You are able to understand that? There are totally special VIP seats which are 90. I am putting it here. See, this 90 seats will include both booked seats as well as empty seats. Do you understand? In special VIP seats, some of them are booked and some of them are empty. Everything together is what is 90. Okay, fine. Sure, fine. Students, can you answer my second question? If special VIP seats are totally 90, then normal VIP seats are totally how many? This total VIP is how many totally? Can you answer? Special VIP 90. VIP will be how much? Yeah. 600 minus 90, 510. It will be 510. Good, very good. Okay. Let's continue the question. During its journey, the train was booked to 80% of the full capacity. What is it they're coming to tell here? During the journey, the train was booked to full 80%. The train was booked to 80% of the full capacity, they told. Now, what do you mean by that? 80% of the full capacity means? Yeah, they are telling about the booked information. How many seats are booked, they are telling. Okay. Yeah, that means what? 80% of 600. How much it is? What is 80% of 600? Okay, let me work out separately because it may disturb here. Okay, what is, maybe I can do it here. Okay, I'll slightly scroll right. Okay, what is 80% of 600? Yeah, it's equal to 80% of 600 equal to, yeah, 480. So that means 480 seats are totally booked. So booked total is, listen here, booked total is 480. You understand, students? Able to understand the students? So booked totally 480 seats are there. That means totally empty seats are totally how many are there? How many empty seats are there? Good. 480 booked means how many are empty? How many are empty seats? Empty will be, yeah. See, out of 600, 480 are booked. Empty will be how many? Yeah, it will be 120. Yeah, 600 minus 480, right? 120. Okay, all right, yes. Now let's again continue the question. If the special VIP class was booked to 70% of the capacity, understand it carefully. Special VIP class was booked to 70% of the capacity. That means what is it they're coming to tell? Now they are telling how many special VIP seats are booked. I mean, they are telling about this entry. How many special VIP seats are booked? How many are booked? They are telling it. 70% of its capacity. 70% of which capacity? 70% of this total special VIP. Okay. That means, can someone tell me what is 70% of 90? Do this calculation. 70% of 90. Yeah, very good. 63. So that means special VIP booked seats are 63. Okay, fine. Then finally, what's the question? Then how many VIP class seats were empty? So what they're asking, VIP empty seats are how many? This one. This is how much? This is what they're asking in the question. Students, is that clear? Is the question clear? Yeah, you have to find that value. Where I made the round, no, that one you have to find. Yeah, you can give the answers. Good, very good. See, VIP empty seats are how many? That's what we are supposed to find. Very good, very good. Yeah, I can see most of your answers. Very nice. Good. Yeah. Okay, we'll do it. Okay, we'll do it now. Okay. Yes, students. So see here. If special VIP booked is 63, first of all, can you tell this one? Special VIP empty will be how many? This one will be how many? Special VIP empty will be how many? 90 minus 63. That means 27. Is it or not? This will be This will be 90 minus 63, 27. Okay, fine. Yes. Now, if this is 27, this total is 120. This will be how much? You can simply do 120 minus 27. Can you carefully do what is 120 minus 27? Yeah, 120 minus 27 will be 93. That's all. 93 is the right answer. Finished. So VIP empty seats are 93. That's it. Students, is that clear? So answer to the question is 93 is the answer. Students, what if I ask you, how many VIP seats are booked? How many VIP seats are booked? This one. Any quick answer, please? Any quick answer? Come on. Any answers? Yeah, very good. Nice. Arya, Mahati, Lakshman, Michiko, Harshita. Good. Nice. Okay, yeah. You can find this VIP book. You can find it in two different ways. Either you can do 480 minus 63, right? You can do 480 because total booked is 480. From this 480, you can minus the 63. You will get the answer 417. You can get the answer like this. Or otherwise, you can even do like this, students. You can do 510 minus 93. See, total VIP is 510, right? Total VIP is 510. From 510, you can even do minus this 93. Then also you can get the 417. That's all. 417. Anyways, 417 is the answer. Brilliant. Very good. Nice. Is that clear, students? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes, students. Let's try to work one more question. Okay. We'll try to work one more question. This is from again time, speed, and distance. Let's work this question. Yeah, here's a very good question from time, speed, distance. Okay, so I thought to give this question to you, students. So this is again a question from this previous, the previous NATA exam, the last one. So very good question they are asking. So yeah, your screen is now, the question is now on the screen. In a 100-meter race, A covers the distance in 36 seconds. B covers the distance in 45 seconds. Then A beats B by what distance? That's a question. Anyone wants to give a try? Let me give you a few seconds. You give a try. Oh, I'm sorry. I started getting the answers. Very good. Any other answers? Yeah, you're most welcome with your answers. Come on, students. Yes, students. So yeah. I got quite a good number of responses. Okay, yeah, let's work it together. Okay, because this is some kind of new variety of question. Okay, so I think in NATA's area, I think this is the first time like this kind of questions coming. Anyways, we'll see it. Okay, yes. So this is particularly a question based on race. Okay, yeah, we'll try to understand this question, students. First of all, in a 100-meter race, A covers the distance in 36 seconds. So what do you mean by that? That means A is running this 100 meters in how much time? In 36 seconds. And B is covering the same 100 meters in how much seconds? In 45 seconds. Then what is the question? Then the question is, then A beats B by how much distance? This is the question. Okay, fine. Okay, but first of all, answer my basic question, students. A and B, between them, they both are running the race. Who is the winner here? Who wins the race? A runs 100 meters in 36 seconds. B runs 100 meters in 45 seconds. Who is the winner? Who is the winner first? Tell me. Yeah, winner is, who is the winner? A or B? A is the winner, right? Yeah, A is the winner because A runs just in 36 seconds. B took 45 seconds. A is the winner, no doubt in that. Okay, okay, fine, yes. Okay, A is the winner, everything is okay, fine. Now, the question is asking for what? A beats B by. So, here only we should be carefully understanding. Why? Because they use the word beats. A beats B by. The moment they see the word beats, they'll try to have a confusion. Okay. So now we will see the clear meaning of what you mean by beats. A beats B by means A and B, the race is conducted, which means when A is winning, okay, this race is totally 100 meters, right? So this total length is 100 meters. Okay. This is 100 meters. And we will take this is the starting point. And this is the ending point. Fine, students. Now, who is finishing the race first? A finishes the race. At the moment A is finishing the race, B will be somewhere behind the A only. Is it or not? B will be behind A only. Now, when A finishes the race, where is B behind A? This gap, distance gap is what they're asking. This is the meaning of beats. Is the meaning first of all clear? A beats B by means the meaning is, this is the meaning. When A finishes the race, B is behind A at what distance? Or what is the gap between A and B when A finishes the race? This is the meaning of this question. So once you understand the meaning only, you can solve the problem itself. Okay, fine, yes, students. Now shall we solve the problem? Now, once you understand this, you can easily solve the problem. Now I will help you solving the problem. Okay, now it's going to be very easy. Now A is finishing this 100 meters in 36 seconds. That means what's the meaning? A in 36 seconds can run in 100 meters. But B in 45 seconds only running 100 meters. But we want what? We want where will be B when A is finishing the race? That's what we want, right? I'll repeat it. Once again, I'll tell. We want where is B when A is finishing the race. That means in the same 36 seconds, we will try to find where is B. You understand? You understand the problem? Yeah, able to understand that, right? If B can run 45 seconds, 100 meters, then B can run in 36 seconds, how many meters? We'll try to find this. Shall we try to find this? So this is some X meters, okay? X meters. So how to find X? We can cross multiply. This is a direct variation, right? We can cross multiply. So we will get X into 45. See the connection. X into 45 is same as this connection, 36 into 100. Students, are you okay what we are doing? 45 seconds, 100 meter. 36 seconds, how many meters? Okay, X into 45 equal to 36 into 100. So we will do this. Now what we will get? X is equal to 36 into 100 by 45. Can you complete this calculation? Can you complete the calculation? Yeah, if you complete, what will be X? X will be? X will be? Yeah, students, you can cancel the numbers and tell me. You can cancel, right? This is 5 9s are. This is 5 20s are. Again, 9 and 36. 9 4s are 36. So 4 into 20 will be 80 meters. So that means, where will be B? B will be at 80th meter. So that means, what is the meaning? When A finishes 100 meter, where will be B? B will be at 80 meters. I think now you can tell the answer. Now all of you can tell the answer. When A is at 100, B is at 80 means A beats B by how much distance? What is the gap between them? Tell. What is the gap? The gap will be how much? The gap will be 20 meters gap. Correct? Is it or not? 100 minus 80. That's all. 20 is the answer. That's all. 20. Option A is the right answer. Is that clear, students? Able to understand this approach? Very simple. A in 36 seconds is running 100 meters. B in 45 seconds, 100 meters. But we want B in 36 seconds, how much meters B is running? We calculated, we got 80. Okay, we got 80. And so what is the meaning? When A is finishing the race 100 meters, B is at 80 meters. So the gap is 20. That's the answer. Finished. Is that clear? Making sense? Yes, students? Yeah. Okay. Yes, students. So yeah, I think we have seen certain number of questions for this session. So yeah, this is it for today's session. Okay, I think we can stop it here. We can wind it up here. And maybe if there are any doubts with this, did you feel at any point, did you feel this was any kind of helpful for you? Were you able to learn any new things? Was it helpful? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. This is specially organized for you only. It is all for you. Okay, fine. So if you felt it, like if you felt that you have learned something new, like, then that will be the success of this program, what we are organizing. Okay. Yes. So we will be feeling really happy about it. Yes. So yeah, yes, thank you, students. Thank you so much. And let me hand it over to Sachin sir. Sachin sir is online. So Sachin sir has got some instructions to be provided to you. So I'm handing over the thing to Sachin sir. And yeah, thank you all of you, students. Thank you all of you. Thank you, really. Yes. Maybe in the next session we'll catch up. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Thank you all of you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Over
Thank
to
you so
Sachin
much.
sir.
Am
Yes.
I clearly audible?
Yeah. Yes, sir. You're audible, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the wonderful session.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, everyone. Let me share my screen.
Yeah. I'll make it. Yes.
Okay. So guys, so this particular session was all about the arithmetic aptitude session, and hope you have enjoyed this session, and you will get enough steps to solve these kind of problems in the upcoming NATA session. So THiNC Institute of Design is conducting a free NATA mock exam on tomorrow, the 3rd July. So it's open to all. You can register for this particular free NATA mock examination. The link to register for this particular examination will be given in the comment box. So and in the description also. So you can register for this particular examination and attend the NATA mock exam. So we will come up with more exciting contents related to the upcoming NATA examinations. So do register for the free NATA mock exam, and those who haven't yet subscribe our channel, please subscribe. And for detailed notifications for this kind of informative contents, please subscribe our channel. So I think with that, we can wind up the session. So thank you, everyone. We'll come up with an interesting live. Thank you so much.